Hi, this is your professor Sudha Kolathuparambil, higher order derivative. If y is a function of x, then y prime, that is the first derivative, we can express as f prime of x or dy over dx. If we are taking the derivative of this function again, then it will be y double prime f double prime of x, or we can write the derivative. This is actually derivative of f prime of x. Or we can write derivative of dy over dx. That is same as writing d square y by dx square. Similarly, we can denote the third derivative like this using 3 bars or d cube y over dx cube. If it is fourth derivative, fifth derivative or sixth derivative, like higher order derivative, we cannot keep on inserting this line like this, right? So we can actually express that as using this notation like fourth derivative of x or fifth derivative we can express like this. In generally, we can say nth derivative we can express like this. Let's do some example. Example 1, y equal 5x cube plus 4x. We need to find the second derivative. So first find the y prime. This is same as dy over dx. So apply the power rule. So 5 times 3x square, derivative of 4x is 4. So that is 15x square plus 4. Then take the derivative of that again. So derivative of 15x square, 15 times 2x plus derivative of 4 is 0. So we are bringing the exponent in front of that and subtract 1 from the power. So basically we have 1. We won't write the 1, then simplify that. So 30x. So that is the second derivative. Second example, y equal 1 over x square. We need to find the second derivative. Here we can rewrite the question like x power negative 2. First derivative is apply the power rule, bring the exponent in front of that, subtract 1 from the power. So negative 2 x power negative 3. Take the second derivative. So negative 2 times derivative of x power negative 3, right? So bring the exponent in front of that and subtract 1 from the power. So negative 3, let me write all the steps. Negative 3 minus 1, like that. So it will be negative 2 times negative 3 times x power negative 4. That is 6 times x power negative 4. You can write the final answer with positive exponent by moving the x to the denominator. Let's do one more example. Example 3. Find y double prime. Question is y is given x square plus 2 power 6. So y prime is, we are going to apply the power rule first. So power rule is bring the exponent in front of that. Inner function stay the same. So inner function is x square plus 2 and subtract 1 from the power. Then multiply by the derivative of the inner function. Derivative of the inner function means derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of 2 is 0. Now let me simplify this. X square plus 2 power 5 times 2x. That is same as writing 6 times 2, 12x and x square plus 2 power 5. That is my y prime. Now I need to find the derivative of that again. So this one actually two function. This is f, this is g. So I need to use the product rule here. Product rule is f prime g plus fg prime. So f is 12x. So f prime will be 12. And g is x square plus 2 power 5. So g prime is 5 times x square plus 2. So we are bringing the exponent in front of that, subtract 1 from the power and multiply by the derivative of the inner function. Now we can multiply f prime g plus f g prime. So f prime g is f g prime. Now we can simplify this by factoring out the GCF. So 12 is the common factor. Both has x plus 2 as a factor. So take the one with the lowest exponent. So this is the GCF. Now divide each term by the GCF. So if you divide the first term by the GCF, you will be left with only x square plus 2, because 5 minus 4, that is 1. Here 12 will cancel and you will have x times x square, 5 times 2, 10. So 10x square, and this term will cancel, right? Now add or subtract the like terms. So this is 11x square plus 2.